Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to check for errors and retry. Read any error messages carefully and refresh the page and try again. Next, use a clear, well-lit photo. Ensure your ID and face are clearly visible. You can avoid glare, reflections, or low light. Also, ensure the entire ID is in the frame and not cropped. Next, you can try a different device or browser. Use a different device, or you can also use an updated browser and disable ad blockers or extension as they may interfere. Next fix is to check internet connection. Make sure you are using a stable Wi-Fi, or you can also switch to mobile data. And if on a corporate network, try a personal network instead. Also go ahead and disable any VPN or proxy if you are connected to it and try again. Also, open App Store and go to the search bar and search for LinkedIn app and make sure you're using the latest version of LinkedIn. And lastly, you can try to contact LinkedIn support team for further assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix LinkedIn persona verification not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.